Good afternoon, guys. Okay, very good. What are you doing there upstairs, guys? What are you doing there? You speak Bisaya, I will translate. How about you guys? What are you doing? Guys, what are you doing, guys? Okay. They are continuing to concrete. How about you, Bong?
Maulang gyapon, sir.
Okay, the same as usual. Oh, the same. You are very busy.
Busy ka dyan, sir.
How about those guys upstairs in the building? You are making? Please eat louder because I cannot hear. Okay, they are making beam to connect the side by side of the building house. Okay, others are. How about you guys? You are putting now the hollow block. Very good. You are answering. You are upstairs. So this guy will answer. You are putting the hollow blocks. Okay, they are very busy. They are very busy doing their works.
Kato, interview ato kato. Mato to English speaking to. Direct na to.
Okay. You are the brightest among the workers.
English yun. English.
Okay.
Try. Kumaw po ng garabi.
Bong, what are you doing, Bong?
Sir, kanyang halo hapon sa
You are mixing the gravel and the sand. Okay, this is the accomplishment as of today. Okay. What day for today, Bong? Day? How about you guys? What are you doing?
para ni Stybim.
Okay.
Stillman.
Stillman. What day for today, Bong? Who can answer my question? Day? Day 21. You are very bright. You are very good in answering my question. Okay. Again, what are you doing?
Para ni Stybim.
Okay. For making the tie beam. How about you guys?
Cutting the steel bar.
You are very good in speaking English. They are cutting the steel bar. So I like it. This is day 21. Making the building house. Are very basic. Okay, this is day 21. Okay, guys. This way also is going to the beach. I will go to the beach. Okay, this is the house building. And this way also is going to the beach. Because the house building is near to the beach. There are many coconuts. Coconut trees. This way is going now to the beach, and the house building is near to the beach. Okay, that is the beach overlooking. This is the cottage. 2 cottages. And now, this is the beach of Lower Villacinta. Near the school, near the house building. Near the house building. This is another cottage. Okay, this is the beach now. This is going to Punta Beach. The beach now is very solemn. Very solemn. And this way also is going to Elena de Playa Beach Resort. Again, this is Punta Beach.